The weather is cloudy and there's some drizzling. Suddenly I looked at the veranda and saw this. A pair of raven came here to take shelter. They're sharing love. It's amazing feelings to seeing these kind of things. Personally, I don't have any positive view for raven. But look, this scenery made me different. I'm loving these birds and enjoying the rainy sound. By the way, they came here in the house for only reason that there is not enough trees. We're cutting trees day by day, and these are making threat for living those creatures. Please do not cut trees. Save the nature.